In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy connects on Upwork. If you're a freelancer looking to enhance your chances of landing jobs on Upwork, purchasing connects is a nifty move. Connects are essential because they're what allow you to submit proposals to potential clients. Think of them as tickets to getting your dream projects. Here's a detailed guide to navigate and purchase those invaluable connects. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Upwork homepage. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once there, you'll find yourself on familiar territory, perhaps checking out the latest job postings or managing your profile. But today we have a different mission. On the homepage, cast your gaze towards the right side of the screen. Here you should see a section dedicated to Connects. It's your gateway to purchasing. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see an option that says Buy Connects. It's a straightforward step. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page that will detail various options for purchasing connects. This is where you start planning out how many connects you anticipate needing based on your job search requirements. Now, select the amount of connects you'd like to purchase. Upwork provides several bundles, so take a moment to think about your needs and budget. Whether you're looking to purchase just a few to test the waters or you're gearing up for a busy season, selecting the right quantity is key. Once you've chosen the amount, you'll see a confirmation of how your account will be charged. It's always important to double check this to ensure it aligns with what you've selected. Transparency here is crucial so there are no surprises later on. As soon as the purchase is made, you'll notice a change in your Connects balance. The update should be immediate, but if not, a quick refresh can help. It's also vital to note when these Connects will expire. Upwork does this to encourage active use of their system. Make a note in your calendar or set a reminder to ensure you're taking full advantage of your purchase connects before they vanish. Now, if you happen to have a promo code, this is the time to use it. Enter it in the designated field and be sure to click Apply to see the discounts reflected in your total. Once all these steps are completed, it's time to finalize the purchase. Click on Buy Connects. At this point, you'll be prompted to select a billing method. Choose the method you prefer, whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or any other option Upwork supports. Then click once more to confirm the transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased Connects on Upwork, setting you up to engage with potential clients and land your next project. Keep these steps in mind as you navigate the platform, and happy freelancing.